and thank you, Concern, for giving us this platform to interact with all of you. Coming to India as I Carnegie, I'll speak from that point of view. Collaborations in India is something which is everyone pretty much is looking at in different formats, partnerships or alliances. In a way, it's a good way to collaborate with foreign universities to learn what they've learned the difficult way, or let's say since they are ahead of us in some ways, to learn from them. It's very important for us to understand what kind of collaborations are we looking for. Is it to create an ecosystem? Is it to get a content from them? Is it to get a process from them? Is it to get good faculty from them? And when I look at India, I look at all these aspects together. And I would really want some of the audiences to also think back. When we talk about partnership alliances, what is the value we need from a foreign partner? Is it a research building capability you want? Is it content? Is it assessments? And foreign universities today, especially I Carnegie, is looking at those partners today who would like to come forward, show us a value there, and who would like to share our experiences with Indian universities, campuses, even K-12 segment. Because we believe that an ecosystem is the best way of collaborating. If we can create an ecosystem where a campus could create on its own after a couple of years a process, a system, or technology which would help India to grow on its own. We've been here for a year or so now and trying to speak to a lot of universities in India. And it's amazing that every university is looking at different kind of alliances in a different way. Some of them are looking at teachers training, faculty development programs. Some are looking at technology. How do we scale what we have? How do we take subject matter experts to all our audiences in campuses? Some of them want to enhance their existing content and wants some universities to certify that in terms of quality and put processes together. There are campuses who want to put research parks, research centers, center of excellence. These are good words and good things to put together. But I think as partners in India, when I step back because I'm an Indian myself, I would like, from my point of view, when we talk about all these universities in a different collaborations, why can't some K-12 schools, some universities come together and say, let's do something together and see how the chain flows from one end to another? Because we have a huge skill gap, which we keep on talking about. And the skill gap is in every aspect. And we all want to do collaborations to fix all these things together. Why can't an ecosystem come forward and say, okay, we are going to invest in this research to build this K-12, we're going to introduce these programs or these curriculums, and then monitor those in terms of faculty development, take it to the K-12 from higher education, and then take it to the employers. I think in these forums we have an immense potential to have learnings from foreign universities, what they have learned in 15, 20 years and have done that journey. So I feel that India is very lucky today to have these partners across the globe who can bring these learnings to us, and we don't have to go that journey for 30 years or 20 years. Having said that, I'm sure there are many universities here, even foreign universities, who are looking for collaborations and partnerships. It's important for us to understand where we stand and where we can start this journey so that we can multiply the replication effect of this. As I Carnegie, we have capability to bring faculty development training programs, assessments, content development, contents, new programs which are introduced globally into our systems for K-12 as well as higher education. Also to a level where we want to do consulting businesses, where we want institutions to be self-sufficient. If you look at it today in corporates, again there are huge amount of training happening. Why can't Indian education system attract those kind of talent and also do that? Because that will help you to map what employers want as well. These were some of my thoughts which I have gathered in the last 2 years. I've been into education now for pretty much 10 years in India, talking to a lot of Indian education system. And I see if as partners we come together to create this ecosystem, we'll be much more faster and quicker in this.
I just check in one.
These are some thoughts I wanted to share and start with. And in case you have any questions for me, I'm happy to address. Thank you.